Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to alter a table in MS SQL. Like a alteration of a table, which will comes to you in the picture. Like once the database table is created successfully, and once the database table is created successfully, what you have to do, there is some modifications of changing of the data type or adding new columns or deleting some existing column like these corrections are happen in the later time. What you will do? Yes, it's a very simple using alter statement. There is a command you can apply while writing the alter commands as well. In the management studio is also will offer you to very simple technique. Like I'll show you here, like a user under registration and user. This table will take an example for this. Like you see here, right click on any of your database table, go to design. I'll show you very simple techniques. Like see, for alteration of this table, what I want to do is I want to add one more column. How? It's very easy. Just simply add status and take LCAR, whatever it, the data type, which one you want to take here, you can take it. From this, you can take the data types you are wish to here, and either bit or char, what you are wish to take the status, okay, and add the column, and one more column if you want to add remarks, you add it, and the remarks you want to type it as an envar take some extension of the text. That's it. We are added the two columns here. And now what you would like to do here, if you want to insert a column in between this, like see here, if after the name you want to put it as in a father's name, you just click here and insert column. You just type here like father name. That's it. Now we have to set the data type here and we'll get 50 and save the table. Save with the two floppy symbols here, or else a single floppy is also there. If you press the two floppies, all the boards here it will be saved. And if you press the single floppy, it will be saved in this correspondence single this tab only. Okay. Now see, it is the alteration. It's over. If you want to set more and more, like any corrections, if you want to change like a phone number's data type, yes, you wish to change here. That's it. You change it to envar to some other data type. You what you are expecting. That is the way you can choose to either writing alter space table name and add column to write the command, or else by making it as a designer you do the appropriate changes very easy way. And you have to strongly remember it's the one simple thing for it. If already there is a data in this particular data, like a database table which is existing and large extent, you take in a backup of this table completely and perform these actions. Okay. And once if you are trying to making some other data which is already inserted in the text form, and you are trying to making in the alteration of the table by applying some data type, it is an integer or a number, it won't be considered and it won't be taken care. So such a situation you have to define which data type you want to choose for creation or alteration. All right. This is the best and easiest steps while applying MS SQL Management Studio to preparation of your alteration of the database table. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.